Nasdaq, on the other hand, I feel like buying this fair value gap is not a bad idea, I'm going with one contract on Nasdaq. Yeah. I'm buying Nasdaq today because they're equal highs. But this is MNQ. Oh man, I just under risked mad. Damn. Alright, let me go in a little bit more. It's pre-New York lows. We had a sweep of the London low. So first of all, we had that London low run out the Asia low. So we know we have no liquidity below the London lows. We then left out equal highs pre-New York. Also failing to take it. Equity open. We ran our sell side now into the fair value gap. So I want price now to react to the midpoint of this and close above. So this is a good enough Judah swing for me. I'll take off 3 contracts at the high. Can go with that for the day. Yeah. It's a hourly gap and everything. SPX on the other hand ran is high, but I feel like it's gonna keep going as well. We have the Asia extension up here. The Nasdaq could get to. So maybe I'll take off another 2 contracts at the Asia extension. Actually, I'll take off 1. I'll do 2R. And I'll take off the last one at the Asia extension. We have Power speaking. We have Power speaking at 10. let's go break even now. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Now can we get an expansion, please? I didn't even get to write out while I'm writing. There are panel speech at 10 a.m. I'm going to take off another contract if we don't start pushing up in the next minute. Alright, taking one off. And let's see if we can get an expansion. Remember, we have news, so I'm not looking to really risk much left. That's cool. This deck is moving so well. Let's see, man. Keep going. Yeah, you started pushed already. That's cool. We got 200 points for the day already. I'm going to be really cautious right now. I need guys to pull back and I'm going to cut the trade. So far, so good though. Nice, man. Keep going. Thank you. That was a good trade. Let me do a quick trade analysis on Nasdaq. So obviously, on the hourly time frame, we had swept the previous day's low prior to the market open, and we had rejected the low, right? So currently we have the previous daily high open, and we had that price traded into an hourly fair value gap. But if we go down to the 5-minute, we can see the gap a lot more clearly. So at the open, we ran out the pre-New York lows from 5 to 9:30. We ran out those lows into this fair value gap, into the midpoint of the London range as well, and we left out equal highs. On the 5-minute, we can see that we also traded down to the Asia extension down here. So already that can tell you that at this point now, we're probably going to the other part of the Asia box. We could extend all the way up to the previous days, etc. But to keep that swing from the open into this fair value gap, that's my module right there. With these equal highs, I have to take that. So once you see that the price, the 5-minute chart starts rejecting these areas, that's when you can look for your buys. And that's when I took my buys as well. You would want price to close above the midpoint to confirm your bullishness. If you go to the 1-minute chart, we can see that a lot clearer. You can see that as price closed above the midpoint, there was a retest on the 1-minute time frame. Usually we'd want a 5-minute too, but with the way the candle formed, it's an immediate close above that we'd want. So that's momentum. So when it comes to target, you want to make sure you always take partials at the session highs, because price could reverse all the way. So that's why I took out 4 of my 5 contracts to 1 to go to the Asia extension. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's that simple. 10-minute trade for real. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back on Monday.